Hello, Jamie Richmond here from AB Building Products. Come to talk to you today about the Penosil Easy Spray Foam. As well as buying them all individually, you can buy as a whole bundle. The kit would include 12 cans of foam applicator gun and 1 can of cleaner. Typical applications would be for condensation control, cold bridging and areas where you want insulation. So this product can be used for brickwork, metal surfaces, wood surfaces, camper vans, containers, boats, anywhere that you've got condensation problems. So it could be like a workshop, a garage, those types of applications. So what you've got here is a single can foam, which goes in a foam applicator gun. On the end of each can, you have a special red foam tip nozzle. As you push this onto the tip here, a bit of that. So now that's on. Okay, make sure you wear some gloves. Okay, before you use the foam, make sure that the foam can temperature is up to 20 degrees C. You keep it indoors overnight, so it's nice and warm at the right temperature. Give the can a really good shake. What you're going to do, screw the can onto the gun. On the back of the gun, here will control the flow rate, how fast or how slow it comes out. Okay, on the end of the nozzle, you can angle the tip to see which way you want to spray it. So we're going to spray some now. A bit further away from you. If you want it closer, then closer. Twist the nozzle, have it pointing upwards. And then you'll see it starting to expand and set. So don't worry if you miss a bit here. You can always go back over that afterwards. Just fill that in. Once you're finished with the can, take the can off. Get your cleaner. Screws onto the gun. Take your nozzle off. And just squeeze that through. Just flushes through the gun, so you can keep that for another day. As I was saying earlier, if you spill any foam anywhere like this, don't panic, don't worry. Get your cleaner, put the spray tip in, and simply spray it on, and it dissolves the foam. You do that while it's still fresh and before it starts setting. Go on.